Namaste to everyone. Welcome to our channel Smart Sutra. In this video, I am going to explain in detail about the new notification which is released, that is SSC Stenographer 2020. Do you know that if you are just 18-year-old, you can still apply for this post, and the starting salary is 50,000 and more. To know more about this post, be it syllabus, be it strategies to crack this exam, watch this video till the end. Now let me explain you in detail with the help of this mind map. Now there are some 8 points which I have made. Let me explain you quickly. The first point here is age limit. It is between 18 to 27 for Group D, 18 to 30 for Group C, plus 3 years for OBC, plus 5 years for SC/ST as on 1st of August. Please note this date. If you fall under this category, please apply. Now the last date to apply is 4th of November. They may extend it, but still we are not sure. But remember, it is 4th of November. The selection process. There are 2 stages in this selection process. One is computer-based test, which is for 200 marks. And with my experience and previous cutoffs, if you see, the cutoff will be nearly 140. So please aim for at least 150 marks to be eligible for the next stage of exam, which is called skill test. It is a qualifying nature round where you have to do the typing there. Only thing is, you should make sure that the errors are less. I've done some research. They say that maximum of 7% is allowed, and that's called qualifying nature. If your errors are less and if you have typed under the prescribed time, you will be eligible. So there's only 2 rounds to earn 50,000 plus the security plus the facilities of central government. Point number 3, eligibility criteria. You can apply for this if you are 12th pass or diploma commercial practice. So there is a special diploma course which happens in every state, which is called Diploma in Commercial Practice, where you will be learning commerce related subjects, plus you will also learn stenography and typing. So if you are a diploma holder, this is the best thing which can happen to you. No one is near to this post, not even 50% near to this post. And if you have passed 12th and if you are trained for stenography and typing, you can apply. Okay, that is, your typing skills is required here. Let me explain you that in detail later. Point number 4, the syllabus. Now the syllabus, I have made some categories here. The first part is general intelligence and reasoning. There are 30 questions here and each question carries 1 mark. Second, it is general awareness. 30 questions, 30 marks. General awareness means what? Current affairs. Maximum will be current affairs and some static GK on dams, capital city. It will be very simple. But I would recommend you can use Lucent book, where it is a common book which is referred by everyone for SSC. For railways and SSC, I think Lucent is the best book. You can refer that. And coming to the other most important part of the syllabus, it is English language and comprehension, because it contains 100 marks. So that means out of 200, 100 marks is completely for English. So you have to be thorough in English subject. The detailed syllabus is given also in the description. I'll give you the syllabus detail, also the link to apply and a whole lot of things. Please see the link also. The time limit for this 200 marks test is 120 minutes, 2 hours. So that means for each question you get around 30 seconds to answer. So you need to practice a lot. You need to give a lot of mock test too. There is a negative mark here. You cannot just choose whatever is your favorite number or option, because the negative mark here is 0.25. So every wrong answer there will be minus 0.25 marks. Do not try your luck there. There are students who have got just 5 marks because they have just tried their luck. Nothing is going to happen. No one has passed by just giving any options. No one ever, because there is negative mark here. So do not answer when you don't know. There is something called as calculative guess, okay, and a wild guess. So you can do some calculative guess when you know something about that, but wild guess, never do it. Yeah. Coming to the 5th point about the skill test. 10 minutes of dictation will be given. Okay, you will be called in a room, a person will dictate, or these days a speaker is being kept there, a recorded audio will be played for 10 minutes. Okay, for 10 minutes the recording will be played. You have to use your shorthand skill to note down whatever is being dictated, and then you will be asked to move to the typing room. There will be a computer there where you have to type either 100 words or 80 words per minute. Now 100 words is for group C, okay, and 40 minutes for English and 55 minutes for Hindi. If you are applying for Hindi, it is 55, English it is 40 under group C, and it will be 100 words per minute. And under group D, it will be 50 minutes for English and 65 minutes for Hindi. So someone who has done stenography will surely understand that this is not that tough. Someone who has not done this, obviously this is very tough. So stenography is really a boon, okay, and if you have done stenography, there is nothing best, again I'm saying, there is nothing best apart from this. So please prepare well. Now coming to the sixth point, which is the most important point here, the salary. The salary for group C is 50,000 or more. It is said that it is around 58,000, and for group D it is 37 plus with all the facilities. So this is a gross salary. Okay, you can check out their website to understand the salary better. Now strategies to crack this competitive exam. The strategy is very simple. Firstly, go one subject at a time. So there are three subjects here. One is general awareness, reasoning and English. Go one subject at a time. If you have started with English, if that is your strength, start with English. But finish the complete syllabus, whatever syllabus is given, finish it, make your own notes, okay, and then shift to other subject. It could be reasoning or it could be general awareness. Now, general awareness can be done daily because there is no defined syllabus for it. You have to read everything around, that is current affairs. So you can consider only reasoning and English being your main subjects. So once you finish your English, you can switch to reasoning, or once you finish reasoning, you can switch to English. Now, regarding reading newspaper. Now, when you are preparing for any competitive exam, reading newspaper will help you for current affairs, will help you to read faster, which will help you to improve your English reading ability, which will help you to read the questions faster. So reading the newspaper, especially the Hindu editorial section, is very important. Okay, you can start with the sports section or entertainment section. Let your brain get used to the newspaper, and you should read the editorial section because most of the reading comprehension part will be from that section. So get used to reading of newspaper at least 1 or 2 hours per day. Third point is practice shorthand daily. So your first half you are doing your reading and also preparing for your syllabus, but also remember you should practice for your main exam, that is your typing skills. Ask someone at home to give the dictation, okay, that is 100 words or 80 words, whatever you are planning for. You can try to do it 140 words so that you will do well when in that exam stress. So do daily practice of listening to a dictation, writing a shorthand and then typing. Do this daily and give mock test. Once you have finished all the chapters of reasoning and English, start giving mock test. Okay, I hope this is the strategy which you have understood. That is, be thorough with your subject first. Do daily read newspapers, reading. Do current affairs daily. Okay, and you can subscribe our Telegram channel called Smart Sutra, where we share all the current affairs daily. Okay, please subscribe. We share current affairs, we share vocabulary, we also share general knowledge. So do subscribe our channel Smart Sutra in Telegram, Instagram and YouTube, and also on Facebook. Okay, now coming to the last part, online course. Our online and offline course, we are available in Belgavi and Karwar for offline course, and there is online course which is available. Let me explain that in detail. Now we have made this course specially for SSC stenographer, where you get reasoning level 1 and level 2. Okay, there are hundreds of videos on reasoning which is related to your SSC stenography only. So we have made level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is a foundation course where your complete basics of that subject will be thorough, and level 2 is high level problems where we have solved. So this is one which you get. You also get English language test training level 1 and level 2. Again, level 1 and level 2 under English language. You also get English, that is basic English course and advanced English course also in this, because we believe it is 100 marks of English. So we are giving a whole lot of English to you. We are giving you advanced English. We are also giving you basic English if you are not from English medium. So even that you are going to improve. We are also giving you general awareness, okay, all under Indian Constitution, polity, geography, a whole lot of videos, hundreds of videos we have made under this category. You can check out that. We also give you online mock test where we have made topic wise, section wise and full length mock test. Now full length means complete syllabus of SSC, full length mock test is also available. Now when you go to purchase this, you have to pay at least 500 to 1000 rupees. Okay. You will also be getting daily updates. When you take our course, we will add you in our Telegram group. There is channel and there is a group. Now group is for our students where we share current affairs, vocabulary, static GK, and every day at 3:30 PM we conduct online live quiz. Okay, so this will be great boon if you do this daily. We are sending you vocabulary, static GK and current affairs daily. So this is specially for our students only. Even if you are not bought our course, you can still subscribe our channel and get the current affairs and GK, but you cannot play the quiz there. Okay. Now coming to the 7th point, weekly updates. Every Friday at 7:30 PM, you'll be getting a special link where everyone will be joining live in our inner circle meeting, where I'll be doing some motivational session there. Some guest may speak or I may speak there, and we will motivate you every week to prepare well. We will teach you some strategy. We will update you any new vacancy which has come, and then we play online fun quiz on general awareness, current affairs and static GK. So this is a boon for everyone who is preparing. It happens on every Friday only for our students. The YouTube channel name is Smart Sutra. Now coming to the 8th point, which is the online course. What is the fees of that? Everyone will be asking. Online course fees, it is worth of 20,000. The fees is just 2,499 only. You can check that on our website smartsutra.in. Yeah. Now the link of our website also will be added in this description. But as you have watched this video, I want to give you something special. I'm giving you a promo code. Okay. If you are watching this video till the end, you are in this section where you can use this promo code. Okay. You can use this promo code to buy this course of 2,499, where I'm giving you rupees 500 off. Please do not share this to anyone. I want to value the person who is giving time to upgrade himself. Like you have chosen to upgrade yourself. You can use this code SMARTSTENO, SMARTSTENO. I'll put this in the description also. You can use this code while you are purchasing this stenographer course. So I hope you have liked this video. This is really a boon, and the price which I am giving, no one in this country will give you. Okay, and I'll also assure you that you will be satisfied with the course. If you are not, you can mail us within 7 days and get the money back also. I hope I have given some value to you, and if you like this video, please like, comment your views, subscribe our channel, and also share it to your friends. Let it reach the right person. You can also subscribe my another channel called Srinivas Balaraju, where I make career counseling videos. Thank you for watching. We hope this video added some value in your life. Please like and comment your views. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our weekly videos. Our videos will be added under 2 different brand names. Brand number 1, Smart Sutra. Here we add competitive exams related videos. Brand number 2, Srinivas Balaraju. Here we add career counseling and career guidance related videos. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can also check out our online courses for competitive exams, soft skill training programs on our website smartsutra.in, where you can also book your career counseling appointment too. Thank you for watching.